Srivari annual Brahmotsavams, the crowning glory of the divine seven hills, will be conducted from October 4th to October 12th.
ब्रह्माण्डनायकुनि ब्रह्मोत्सवम् बहुरूपधारुनिकी ब्रह्मोत्सवम् श्रीभूसतुलतो शरणागतुलतो ఏడు కొండల పైన చక్కగా బ్రహ్మరూపునికి బ్రహ్మోత్సవం అఖిల లోకాల అమృతోత్సవం సుర సమూహాల సరసోత్సవం.
Lord Sri Venkateshwara will be in procession on different Vahanams. These Vahana Sevas during Brahmotsavams are visual feast to the devotees. Please watch Brahmotsavams grand event on SVBC Live.
Like, share and subscribe to